Okay, so the first thing we need to do is register a domain name and web hosting for our website. For this, I'd personally recommend using HostGator, which is a company I've been using for years now without any problems. And they're also who I currently use to host letsbuildwp.com. They're a great low-cost hosting company, which is exactly what we need. So if you're going to take my recommendation, we just need to open up our internet browser and go to hostgator.com. Then if we click web hosting at the top, this is going to show us the 3 different hosting plans that they offer. If you're only planning to build one website, go for the hatchling plan, or if you're going to build multiple websites, go for the baby plan. The business plan is an option, but to be totally honest with you, it comes with a whole load of added extras we probably won't need. Then once we've decided on which plan we're going to go for, we can just click Buy Now underneath. Then on this page, we're going to enter whatever we'd like to use as our domain name for our new website into this box, and then choose our domain extension on the right. So for me, I'm going to type WP Smartway, and then choose .com as my domain extension. Once we've entered our domain name, hopefully it comes up and says Added Primary, which means the domain's available. Otherwise, we're going to need to choose something else. Then underneath we have the option to purchase other domain extensions as well, but we can always come back and do this later, so I'm just going to skip it for now. Then here underneath we'll see it says Domain Privacy Protection, and this is a 100% optional add-on. I normally just uncheck this box myself and haven't had any problems to date, but if you want to keep the box checked, it'll be added to your bill. Then underneath it says Choose a Hosting Plan, and here we just want to double check that our package type is correct and choose a billing cycle. So for me, I choose the hatchling plan, so this is correct. And then under this, we can choose how often we'd like to pay for our hosting. So we can pay for it every month, every 6 months, or we can even pay for it every 3 years if we like. Now, we do save a bit more money the longer we buy at one time, so that might be something to think about. But as I'm just doing this for the tutorial, I'm going to choose monthly. Although if this was a real website I was building, I'd probably go for at least 6 months to benefit from the discount. Then underneath we just need to create a username and security pin for use with our HostGator account. And then under this we can enter our personal billing information. So that's things like our name, our email address, and things like that. Then on the right hand side we can choose how we'd like to pay for our order, and we can choose either credit or debit card or PayPal. Then under this we'll see it says Add Additional Services, and these are a few paid services that HostGator offer. If you're lucky, they're still going to be running this offer where we get a free SSL certificate, which is pretty awesome. But for the rest of these, I normally just uncheck these boxes myself. But you can have a read through them, and if you like the look of any of them, just check the box and they'll be added to your bill. Then under this it says enter a coupon code, and I have a coupon to share with you guys that'll get us our first month web hosting for only 1 penny. So there might already be a coupon code entered in here worth 20 or 25% off, but instead of using this coupon, we're just going to delete it and instead enter CreateWP1. So that's the word create, the letters WP, and then the number 1. Create WP1. Then when we click the validate button, we'll see that we're now getting our first month web hosting for only 1 penny. Now this is awesome if we're only going to be purchasing a few months hosting at a time, but if we're going to be ordering more than 6 months, there's an even better coupon we can use. If we use the coupon hosting30 instead, we can get 30% off our entire order, which can obviously work out a lot better if our bill's a little higher. If you're unsure, you can always try both coupons and see which one works out better for you. Then once we've entered our coupon code, underneath we just want to double check that our order's correct. Also be sure to note the 45-day money-back guarantee and the 24/7 phone, live chat and email support, which can be extremely helpful if we get stuck. Then as long as we're happy with everything here, we just need to scroll down to the bottom, check this box to agree to the terms of service, and then click the Checkout Now button.